Hello guys, and this is me, Victoria, from the channel Russian with Victoria. Welcome back. Today we start very important topic. We start cases. And now we will talk about the first case among all cases in Russian language, about nominative case. Maybe you already know that the nominative case, it is the first form of all nouns, which means that in the dictionaries all nouns are presented in the form of the nominative case. Nominative case answers to the questions кто, which is who, and что, which is what. The question кто is used for animated objects, animated nouns. For example, people, animals. For example, кто это? Это мама. Who is it? This is mom. Кто это? Это собака. So, what is it? It is a dog. So, in English, it's different, yeah? For animals, usually another question. And the question что, it's for all inanimated objects, nouns. Что это? Это телефон. What is it? This is a cell phone. Что это? Это сумка. What is it? It is a bag. So quite simple, yeah? But very important note. The question что can be used not only for nouns, it's also we use for actions. For example, что ты делаешь? What are you doing? Что ты делаешь? Я читаю. I'm reading. So, the question что not only for nouns, but also for actions, for verbs. Or another example. Что с тобой? What happened with you? What's wrong with you? Я заболел. I got sick. Да? Что с тобой? Что с тобой? Or like, что случилось? What happened? Да? The nominative case is used to refer to people, animals, or to inanimated objects. Кто это? Это брат. Кто это? Это кот. Что это? Это машина. And also, nominative case is used after verb нравится. In the construction, dative case of subject of action plus the verb нравится plus nouns in nominative case. So, for example, мне нравится эта сумка. So, эта сумка, this is the form of the nominative case. Мне, it's a pronoun in dative case. So, я, мне. So, dative case, subject of action, нравится, and after, noun in nominative case. One more example. Ему нравится торт. Ему, он, ему. So, он, it's nominative. Ему, it's dative. Нравится торт. Торт. Cake, да? Ему нравится торт. So, торт in the nominative case. Okay, now let's practice. I will show you some pictures and you need to say questions. Кто это or что это? So, pay attention. So you should think, is it about animated object or about inanimated object? And also answer to this question. So, the first one. So, grandma, it's animated object, yeah? So, the question, кто это? Кто это? Это бабушка. The next one. Again, animated object. A dog. Да? Question. Кто это? Кто это? Это собака. The next one. A bus. So it's inanimated object. Да? And the question. Что это? Что это? Это автобус. So quite simple, yeah? 2 questions and very, very simple case to learn. Okay, guys, it was, I think, quite understandable lesson. It's quite simple, very, very basic grammar. And see you next lesson. Next lessons, we will talk about other cases. So see you next lesson. Пока-пока.